Hi,
Hi. What's your name again?
my name is Indrajit, and you're?
I'm Jacqueline.
Oh, Jacqueline. Wow.
Nice to meet you finally.
Yes, finally, nice to meet you. And nice name.
Oh, thank you. It's fine.
Okay, yeah. So,
Yes,
how is your day?
my day is really busy, but I think it's good to stay busy in this time of the year. Yeah. And yours?
I am I am also busy because I nowadays I have been making a lot of videos for YouTube, and my online classes are going on. So, I am
That's
quite busy
good.
as
Okay, so you said you do the YouTube channels, right? You have a YouTube channel?
yes, I have a YouTube channel, and
Okay.
I my the channel name is Iconic Hindu. Even I will upload this video on YouTube.
Oh, good. Yes, I saw some of the videos. It's actually good.
Oh, thank you very much. And
Okay.
yeah, in your background world, the photo is really
Yes.
good.
Oh, thank you. You can see so far.
Yes, I can see.
Yes, I live in South Africa, so we have a beautiful country actually full of
Yes.
nature.
Oh,
Yeah,
lovely.
so that was actually a picture taken in like one of the parks, the beautiful parks we
Oh,
have.
wow,
Yeah.
nice, so nice.
Yeah. Where do you live?
I live in India, and I live in the state name is West Bengal, and I live in Kolkata. Kolkata is my
Oh,
home city.
okay. Is it a big city or a small
Yes,
city?
yes, it is a big city and also popular city, and people are people generic generally call this city as City of Joy.
City of Joy.
Yes,
Oh, nice.
because there are
That's
a
good.
lot of places to visit and a lot of privilege, even a lot of historical places. So that's why
Mhm.
people call it.
That's nice. Yeah, I would love to travel and see some of those beautiful countries.
Oh, yeah,
It's very nice.
you love traveling.
Actually, I've never traveled that far out of my country, but I like to go visit some beautiful nature reserves and to
Oh,
see to see some new cultures or, learn about new things. I like to do those things.
oh, lovely, lovely, so
Yeah.
nice. May I ask that how old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
Oh, great. So young.
Yeah. Yeah, so young. And how old are you?
Yeah, I am 23.
26.
No, no, 23. 23.
23. Wow,
Yes.
you look older. You look older.
Oh,
It's a
you are
good thing.
you are the first one that says.
Really? It's the beard or
Yeah,
something. You look older.
actually, I did not save it, so that's why maybe.
Okay. Yeah, you look older. It's a good thing. You can wear it with pride.
Oh, lovely. But
Yeah.
yeah, what else you do besides teaching on Cambly?
What I do is I actually give online classes to other countries like Hong Kong, Japan, China, and I'm also on Cambly as a teacher for the adults. So I'm actually a full-time teacher online.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
And have you tried about the offline classes or offline schools when there is no pandemic?
I actually did some sport. I gave sport to small children, but I never had a classroom, the classroom environment. I only did the online as experience. Yeah,
Oh,
only online. But I would
yeah.
like to
I will-
do the classrooms. I think it will be nice to travel one day.
Yes.
I would actually like to go to the countries and give class in their classrooms. It will be nice.
Oh. And yeah, when you were young, I mean, you are now young, and when
Yeah.
you were a kid, then, uh, what dream was in your mind? that you do you want to a teacher from childhood?
Yeah, I actually before I decided to go study in the sports, like I did recreational studies and tourism. So I
Oh,
was all the time I was thinking of doing the sports, but everyone recommended me to teach, and I never thought the way to teach. It was never on my mind. And just
okay.
one day I decided maybe I have to try it, even though it's online. Let me try it. And then it's actually now my passion. I love it.
Oh, lovely, lovely.
Yeah.
Because it is
So,
really interesting to teach online because uh,
yeah.
it saves your energy and also it saves your pocket money to travel
Yeah.
to travel to teach. But it
Yeah.
is quite enough, quite okay.
Yeah. And how long have you been learning or practicing your English?
Yes,
Is it your
I have been.
first language or second?
No, no. Actually, English. My first language is Bengali. It is my dialect. But
Oh,
India, most of the people in India speak Hindi.
Hindi. Okay.
Hindi. And yeah, I English is really interesting subject and also necessary for Indian education. So
Yeah.
that's why I want, and also I love learning English since my childhood. So
That's
I
good.
want to be fluent in English because uh, I watch a lot of movies and I see a lot of people from different countries.
Mm,
They speak really well, and English is really a global language and also international language. So that's why I want to learn this language
yeah.
as very much.
Okay. And besides your YouTube, what is your job? What do you do? Do you
Actually, I,
study?
yes, I'm an engineering student.
That's
Currently, I am
good.
pursuing Bachelor of Technology in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I
That's
have
good.
one yes, and I have 1 year more left for becoming graduated.
That's good. So it's almost time.
Yeah, almost. And there, after graduation, there will be another world. You have to struggle. You have to get a job.
That's good. So you're excited for your future?
Yeah, I'm pretty excited about my future.
That's
Yes,
good. Okay, so
and
would you like work in your country or would you like to expand your experience and work in other countries?
yeah, I if I get a chance from different countries through my in my field of engineering, then I will definitely go because this is really a great opportunity to have a job on
Yeah.
abroad. On the other
Mm.
hand, I want to do a decent job in India.
Okay, that's good.
And yeah, I have a couple of questions for you.
Yes,
Interesting.
please.
Yeah, that yes, if if you are suppose you are invisible for a day, then what will you do?
I'm sorry if I was in
Suppose if you are invisible,
the
invisible for a day.
the desert.
No, no. If you are invisible,
Invisible. Oh, sorry.
yes, yes,
Okay, if I
invisible,
was invisible, yeah.
then what will you do?
Hmm. I think the first thing in my mind would be to rob a bank.
Oh, perfect.
Yes. Oh, that's a hard question, actually. I think I would do a lot of things.
Then,
I think I would sneak onto people and actually hear what they had to say about you, maybe.
yeah,
I think that will
yeah,
be interesting.
that
Yeah.
oh,
Yes.
okay.
Or actually, yeah, it's very hard to think. I think I would, yeah,
You
like to
never
know what people
thought about
say
that.
behind your back. What
But
would you do?
yeah, yes, I want to steal something that is very sweet. I want to steal
Mm.
something from sweet shop, and I want to eat. I want to eat chocolate more and more.
Oh, nice. You're a sweet tooth. You have a sweet tooth.
Yes. Hey,
That's a good
what
one.
is the vocab one? Please tell me. Sweet
Oh,
tube.
sorry?
What is
Sweet
the
tooth. You
oh
have
sweet
a
tooth?
sweet
Yeah,
tooth.
I have a sweet tooth. Yes, I know. I know that. I know that. Yes.
like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Oh, yes.
Nice.
And yeah, if you are allowed to commit a crime being invisible, then
Mm,
what comes in your mind first?
I think robbing the bank,
Oh,
definitely. Robbing the bank. I
right.
would really rob the bank.
Oh,
Easy.
and yeah, that is really easy. Easy. That will be easy work for you being
Yeah,
invisible.
yeah.
Perfect. And yeah, one question is waiting for you. That is, suppose uh, if you, suppose you wake in the morning, then suddenly you feel that you have two wings in your back.
Wings.
Yes, wings in your back.
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
what comes in your mind first?
Oh wow. I would fly to countries and like travel with my wings.
Yeah. Oh wow.
I
So
would
nice.
like to see all the places because it's
Oh
basically for free, right? You have your own wings to fly.
yes.
It'll be
Exactly.
nice. Yeah.
Yes, and that looked like a fairy
Look
or
like a
angel.
fairy.
Yeah, or angel.
Yeah. That would be
And,
nice.
and to be honest, you are you look really an angel. You are an angelic person.
Oh, thank you.
Lovely.
Thank you.
And yeah, ma'am. Yeah, may I ask that who do you live with?
I live with my parents. I actually lived alone last year.
Uh,
And with the COVID and the pandemic, I actually worked in another city. And then with this pandemic, I lost my job due to
uh,
finance and, companies close.
exactly.
So I actually then came back to my parents living here and then teaching online.
Yes, I want to mention that you are your teaching skill is really pleasant and
Thank you.
wonderful, so that everyone wants to reserve your reservation because
Thank
you
you
are
very much.
your way of speaking is really appreciated because I feel that actually I feel that
Thank
and
you.
this is a really a great job during
Yeah.
pandemic, and
Oh,
Cambly is
thank you.
wonderful platform. I want to
Yeah.
say that, and it is like a handful globe. Whenever you open this, you will open a globe, and then you
Yeah.
can choose different places from different countries.
That's true. I love working for Cambly. It's actually like you're given a chance every day to help other people,
Yes,
grow their English. It's very nice. It's satisfying.
yes, satisfying. I,
Yeah.
li- I love talking with different people from different countries on Cambly. So that's why I switched to Cambly, and even
Nice.
eventually I can improve my spoken English skill too.
Yes, your English is not bad. It's actually good.
Thank you
It's
very much.
yeah, it's good.
And
Just
yeah, tell me. Go ahead,
no,
go ahead.
sorry. It's just
But
like English, grows with practice. And
yes,
you
practice
can't
makes
teach
perfect.
someone. Yeah,
Yes.
it's just practicing for the perfect.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's nice.
Like I like it.
Yeah, I like it also. I like it a lot.
And
Oh,
oh, hope see you soon again. And
thank you for
I
your time.
I am so much opportunist to have a great chat with you.
Thank you. Till next time.
Yes, yes, no problem.
Thank you.
Take
Thank
care.
you for
Stay safe.
having me. Thank you
Yes,
for having me.
thank you too. Also. Have a
Have
great
a
day.
good day.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.